Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a halftone effect in Canva to give your designs a retro print style look. This effect is great for adding texture, depth, and a creative touch to graphics, photos, or posters. On your Canva dashboard, let's say we are here and we are editing. All we need to do first is go to Elements and type halftone in the search bar. Once we search, we just click on it. Now, we need to find the halftone design we want to use. For example, if the design we want is this one, we simply select it. We place it as an overlay and click on it. Then, we adjust the transparency so it blends nicely into the design. Once we are happy with it, we just click to confirm. And that is how we create a halftone effect in Canva in just a few simple steps. With this technique, our designs will have a unique and eye-catching style.